Hi guys, Puneet here from Happy Gamers. Welcome everyone. Today is the tech day and we will be doing some research, and right now it's a double hourly running and I have activated my 100% Clash of Province bonus, and I'm gonna do some of the researches, and the focus of this video would be completing the zone commemorations. So that will be the main focus. So right now I am falling short of courage medals and I am actually filling them with my COP chests. So let me quickly run this out as this hourly challenge is going to end sooner. So we just have only 3 minutes left. I'm just going to come back to the other aspects of the research. Let me go to the accessory protections. There you go. Yep. Yes, that is done. So I'm quickly getting this particular research done. Just to get my chests up for the first, and also the COP points. So today we are focusing on completing my zone commemorations to 100%, and I'm falling short of close to 420 to 430 courage medals. So I'm trying to fill this out with the other researchers. Okay, well, don't think I can. Yes, I will be able to do that. All right, I'm very close to get my third hourly chest. And later we can have a look at my COP points for today. I think I got my third hourly chest. Now I'm going to show you my COP points for the day, and it's at 156 million, so I'm like around 5 million short to get my courage medals that is required to complete my zone commemorance. So if we complete the 9 chests, we'll be getting 500 courage medals here. So that is what I'm looking for. In the meantime, I'll just show you my zone commemorance. It says 99% complete, and this is the last research that is left out, and I have all the materials that is required to do this particular research, just that I don't have the courage medals, so I'm looking to get that out. So I'm just trying to complete other researches in order to get that extra 5 million points in my COP. Later we'll jump in straight into the zone commemorance. So in the meantime, just that we are waiting for the next hourly challenge to begin. So I'll just tell you the zone commemorance and the technique of how to achieve the 100% zone commemorance in an efficient manner. So there's no shortcut to this ideally, so we will not be able to you know get to this particular point with any shortcuts or by skipping anything. You have to um, complete each and every of this zone commemorance boxes. So I would suggest you to uh, take one box at a time and complete the zone commemorance until the super rewards, that is until you unlock 7, 8 and 9 chests. So you just have to focus on one particular box and then get into the super rewards, and later you can actually go ahead and take the left path for the first, because it's going to give you individual bonus for each and every day. So this particular box, if we see, it is for the gathering day, that's on Monday, so it will increase your COP points by 100%. Similarly, if you go to the next level, it's for the building day, so it will increase your points in COP by another 100% on the building day. Similarly for the research, and the last one, you can actually park and move to the right, as this particular box is all on the KE part. So we are not concerned much on the KE part, because anyhow we are going to smash the enemies. We are going to find the targets, right targets, and then gonna hit. So that should not be a priority, because we will end up getting our chests pretty soon during KEs. So we will actually have to jump onto the right section and start doing all these boxes. So the right section here, the incentive killing Mordors, inspire wisdom medals, inspire growth, and inspire recruitment, all these are for Thursdays, that's for the hero development day. So it's a pretty important aspect. So the zone commemorance technology research will run a little faster after you unlock this super recruitment rewards. It's pretty easy to move ahead with these boxes. When it comes to the incentive killing enemies and the inspire recruitment, that is where the struggle for iron will start. So these two researchers will consume a lot of iron, and the iron requirement will get carried forwarded even to the arms expert. So this is one of the most important boxes in the zone commemorance. So it increases all your COP points by close to 100 and 200%. So level 19 and level 20 gives you 100 and 200% of it. So it's most important milestone in zone commemorance. So if at all, if you're new in the game and COP has just started in your state, I would recommend you to quickly complete zone commemorance first, because that takes the first priority. And if at all, if you can max this particular research on a daily basis, you will be getting a lot of resources, and that will actually help you level up faster, and also grow stronger. You can also train more troops. You can also have more resources to do researches, and also you can build your castle. You can enable your castle to defend itself very well. So resources and speed ups you get in abundance if you just max your zone commemorance. So that should be your priority. So with that said, I think uh, the hourly challenge would have been begun. No, we still have around 20 seconds. So once that is complete, or once the new hourly is started, we will just max this out if required. We will gain those points in COP, and we'll jump into the zone commemorance quickly and complete that to the 100%. I can't wait to get the double rewards from tomorrow, that's on Thursday. So we will start getting 2 super recruitment tickets, double the rewards, double the speed ups, double the coverage medals, double everything will be doubled once we complete that particular research. So that's the power of the last part here, the last box that we are seeing in the zone commemorance. So that's called one more reward. So it says double rewards when claiming individual province rewards. So that is what my motto is. So let's quickly speed this up. I think we have begun with the new hourly challenge. Yeah, I think I need one more chest, or rather one more research to be done in order to get my 9th chest, so that I get that 500 courage medals. I think I got my 9th chest. Yes, comfortably we have reached there. Now that we have got 500 courage medals here, I will straight away jump into the zone commemoration and start taking this out. So I have enough resources, I have collected it. I'm just gonna spend all of it with zone commemoration. So let me actually speed this up. I can't wait to complete this particular research. And there you go. So we are done with our zone commemoration. So pretty much happy with my achievement today. Starting tomorrow I'll be getting the double rewards, so I'm very happy with it. So that's how important the zone com is, as I told. So it should be your number one priority. You guys should always look and max that particular technology. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for your patience and thanks for your time. So if you do like this video, please do like and subscribe, and you can also post your comments in the comment section below for any videos that you want on the Rise of Empires game. I'll be more than happy to make a video and help you clarify all your questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.